Hello everyone, I am Divyan Shrivastava. Hope you all will be doing good in this hard time. As you all know, today is the foundation day of our school, the Mother's Pride School. I've never seen it as my school. I've always considered it as my second home, as this school has given me so many important and precious memories in my life. I've lived so many important moments of my life in this school only. I have met so many people who are playing an important role in my life right now. Today I have been given this opportunity to tell you all about my journey in this school, the Mother's Pride School. Hope you all like it. So I clearly remember how it all started. It was year 2010. I took admission in class 3rd. I was very happy as I got the admission in the Mother's Pride School. But deep down I was very nervous also, because I was thinking how the school is going to be, how the teachers are going to be, whether they will be supportive or not, or whether I will be able to adjust in this school or not. But as soon as I entered the school the first day, all of my confusions and nervousness was just gone. And I believed at the time that this is the best decision my parents had made. And this was all because the teachers were very good and supportive. They always treated us like their own childs. I clearly remember the first teacher I ever met at the school was Akanksha ma'am, and she is one of the best teacher I've ever met in my entire life right now. She was very supportive. She always helped us in almost every situations. She was there. Mamta ma'am was there in class 3rd, and I also remember Kirti ma'am was there. These were the teachers which I'll say were the best at that time in school. They were very supportive and they helped us a lot. TMPS is not just a school who only focuses on academics portion. It is a school which helps you to grow your overall personality. Like they always organize so many events like debate competition, sloka chanting competition, dance competition, fancy dress competition, singing competition, sports competition, speech competition, patriotic song competition, Hindi debate, English debate, and all the things you can imagine. Not just competition, for overall development, it always organizes annual functions, sports day, science fest. And I remember we celebrated almost all the festivals we had in India, like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid, Bakrid, Christmas. And through this we have always respected each other's religion and got to know so much about our past history. So I was very happy after seeing all this and after participating in so many events like this. Later in that year, I also got selected as the monitor of the class, and I got my first badge in my entire life, and I was so happy. In class 4th, I also won a lucky draw in which I got home theatre system as the prize. I still have that one, and that day I was very happy. So I can say all the years I have studied in the Mother's Pride School have taught me so many things. But the last 3 years of my school, which was class 8th, class 9th and class 10th, these were the years which I'll say are the best part of my school life. These are the years which have gave me so many precious memories which I'll never forget. So I can divide my whole journey in the Mother's Pride School in 2 parts, from class 3rd to class 6th and from class 8th to class 10th. From class 3rd to 6th, I was a very shy type of a guy who never stood up for what he wanted and never participated in all the events. But from class 8th, I don't know what it was, but I transformed into a very confident person, and I almost participated in every event which was organized at school. I got selected for the Bonvita quiz contest. I won singing competition. I also got selected as the Red House captain of my school. So that year was, I can say, changing point of my life, which transformed me into a different student. All this happened because of the teachers we had at that time at our school. We had Nikhil sir, we had Ankit sir, Deepak sir, Niharika ma'am, we had Shukla sir, we had Anil sir, we had Umesh sir. These were the teachers who not only helped us in academic portions of the school, academic portions, but also in the real life problems we faced as teenagers at that time. They were really helpful in guiding us a right path. Later in class 8th, one more very special thing happened to me. I got selected in a play called Ganga Play, and that play was a super duper hit at that time. Everyone liked it so much, and everyone appreciated it so much. We also got the opportunity to perform that play in front of HRD minister, so we were very happy as a team. After the Ganga Play, we all were very happy, but deep down we were sad also, because we knew that we had option to choose whether science stream or commerce stream. I chose science stream, and I think that was a very good decision made by me and my parents. In class 9th, we had Nikhil sir, we had Anil sir, Ankit sir, we had Satyanshi ma'am, we had Meeta ma'am. Later in class 9th, and I exactly remember the month, it was November, Pankaj sir started teaching us maths, and after that time I was the one who loved maths. Pankaj sir explained the concepts of maths and physics just like magic. He was the one who made us love maths. He is the reason why I'm studying maths right now and doing BSc honors with that subject. He was just something special. At that time we also had Ankit sir who taught us history, civics and geography. He was the teacher who explained different concepts of geography, history and civics just like he was telling stories. We used to listen to him like we are listening to our grandmothers. We just used to sit in his class, and the class was not like a class, it was like an entertainment for us. We just used to listen to him. And at that time we also had Anil sir who explained the difficult concepts of English literature and language, the art of writing a summary, or the art of writing a gist of a poem, how to write a gist of a poem, how to write the character sketch of a character in the play. He was the man who made us live the play. Organized a farewell party for all of us. It was a very emotional moment for all of us, as everyone knew that now finally we are going to leave our school, our second home. And I can guarantee you almost every student cried at that time, because we knew that the amount of freedom that we had in this school, the atmosphere which we had in this school, the relation between a student and the teacher we had at this school is not going to be in another school. It will be just different. After spending 7 years of my life at that institution, I got attached to it very closely. I got attached to the teachers, to the students, even with the working staff. I would also like to thank Principal Ma'am and the Director Sir, who always guided us in every moment. Recently I got the news about Director Sir, and I was really sad after listening to it. But I am sure that wherever he is right now, he will be looking at us and he will be happy after seeing that the student which he nurtured and guided are doing well in the society. He will be happy after seeing that his students are a nice human beings.